Hello everyone, my name is Mitali Rohra, and in this video I will show you how to do technical analysis and graphical analysis of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. So for the analysis we need data and we can get data from its website. So simply on the Google type Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank and you will get this website. This is the official website of the bank. So for getting the financial data, just scroll down and here you will get a auditor empanelment. You have to just go through this auditor empanelment page, and here you will find all the financial data and all the annual reports and everything in this. So I got this data from Financial Highlights and the audit and reviewed balance sheet. So here you will get the balance sheet of all the years. From that, you get the assets and liabilities and also the NPA, that is non-performing assets. And here you will get all the data which you have to collect and export it to the Excel. So I have already exported it to the Excel sheet and this is my data. This is the net NPA, that is non-performing assets for the bank. These are the years for which I have found it. These are some net advances and the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, I have assets and liabilities and deposits. What were the various, how much deposits were there? And these non-performing assets are in crores. So now I will do this analysis in Tableau. So first of all, this is the Tableau sheet. And now I will export this Excel sheet to my Tableau. So let's check this out. So this is my sheet, Excel sheet. As I said in my earlier video that it will take some processing time. It takes around 10 to 20 seconds to export all the data. And also you need to make sure that your data should be cleaned before exporting it to Tableau. So I have already cleaned this data in my Excel and filtered it. And now I have downloaded and exported into the Tableau. So this is the data. First of all, I'm taking the balance sheet and dragging it here. The data is loading. Okay. So now I will take net NPA and I will blend both these data on the basis of year because the years are common between them. So yeah. And now we will do the analysis. So for the analysis part, first of all, I took the year and dragging it to the column section. And first of all, I need to do the analysis for deposits. So I will do the deposits part first. It takes some time for the processing. Now I will take the these deposits and drag it here. Okay, so these are some deposits. Now let's look at through a graphical presentation. So I have chosen this bar diagram. I'm just rotating it. And also now you can see that these are bar diagram. And if I am just clicking onto the bar, now it's showing how much deposit contained. But if we want that deposit should come above, so you need to drag the deposit here and you have to label it. Now these are showing the labels. So you need to like click on the bars. It is already there. Now in the second sheet, I will show the analysis of net NPA. Net NPA is very important for the bank. This shows how much non-performing assets are there. So these are some net NPA and I'm using the bar diagram and I'm just rotating it. And now I need to change the color of these. To make the difference, we do all these kind of filters and everything. So first of all, I did the color thing. And now you can clearly see the difference that in 2006 and 7, in 2007 and 8, 2008 and 9, the non-performing assets were very less. And in 2013 to 14, they were highest. So this is the analysis part. Next, now I will do the analysis of net advances. So again, year. all these analysis I'm doing on the basis of years. It's easy to compare all these things on the basis of years. That's why. So I took net advances, and now like I want to make a pie chart. For example, I want to make a pie chart, and it's like, it's very small. Let me make it little. Now again, you can see we have to click the part, then only it is showing that how much net advances are there, but I need it to somewhere written over here. So again, I will take the net advances here and I will simply label it. So now you can see the labeling, and also I want years also to be labeled. So I will choose the year and again drag it here and label it. So now it is showing according to the year and how much net advances, net NPA are there. So for the last analysis part, I'm going to do net NPA is done, net advances are done, assets and liabilities are left. So we will check out how much assets and liabilities does this bank have. So again, we will choose year and assets and liabilities. We will drag it here. And now I want my graph should be something different. So I am going to choose this graph. Again, I need it to be labeled. So I will label it. Okay. Now you can clearly see that in 2017-18, this much assets and liabilities are there. And we can see that the circle which has more diameter, that is 2020 and 21, are have more number of assets and liabilities. So this is the analysis part. Graphical representation shows clearly actually tell us what is the comparison, what is the difference in years, how is the company or the bank is performing. So this makes it very easy. Now for the last part, we will make a dashboard. We will choose sheet 1 here. Then here. This part here, and lastly this part here. So if we want, we can also name these sheets. This was deposits. So I will name it as it's. Now in sheet 2, this was about net NPA, that is non-performing assets. It makes the picture clear of what we are looking forward. These are net assets and liability. If we look into the dashboard, here it's already edited. It is automatic. Here we can look. Now I want to name this dashboard, give a title to it. So I will give it this. So these all graphs are done. Now, if we want, we can use all these graphs into the presentation, which we are going to do in the next video. So all these graphs should be exported image. Here we can export it. I want to save it on the desktop. So it is saved. Yeah, so it's done. We can use it into our presentation, into our PDF. So it's all about analysis, technical and graphical analysis of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. So for today, that's it. Thank you.